Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a continuation of my Coach unboxing. So I have here the shopping bag. So I went to the store and I went to the store and basically I was just looking for on the shelves of what they have left for the summer sale. So it's just, I saw this particular piece and it got caught my attention. And I saw this one in the past on the website, and I am aware that this is actually on sale, and I wasn't able to get a hands in it. And when I went to the store a few days ago, and I was surprised that it said, "Wow, they still have this one." I thought this has been sold out. But yeah, I saw this one in the shelves and right away, okay, this is what I'm gonna get today. And right away, I didn't even spend, so much time at the store, because right away when I saw this one, this is exactly what I wanted. So here's the box. They always wrap my stuff nicely. That's what I like about Coach. It's like, whether any purchase that you make for them, they always gift wrapped it, which is really nice. Very, very nice. So probably, if you could guess what I got. Any guesses? Okay, guys, I like unboxing, so you might probably gonna see that a lot more on my channel. So here it is. Oh wow, right there. It's not a large bag. It is like they put it in a large box and in a large shopping bag, but it is okay. Let me show this one to you. Okay, here's the dust bag. So I think this is actually the only one that they have in store, and also this is actually a store model, like a floor model. So I'm not even sure, so I asked them if they could source this one out for me, but because they told me that you might probably gonna get more likely a floor model, because this has already been, like, they're just like waiting for this one to get sold out. So but this could still be ordered online when I went to the store, and they said more likely you're getting a floor model. But I said okay, as long as there's any flaws, or like major flaws or something. So here's the bag. Obviously that is the 1941 dust bag. The 1941 dust bag is really, really nice. Actually, the dust bag is really nice quality, guys. It's really thick. It looks like it's durable. I think this is by far like better. It looks and it feels better than the one that's from the Louis Vuitton. So here's the bag. Okay. Wow. Very, very nice. Oh my goodness. When I saw this one at the store on the sales section, I can't believe it. It's because it was actually hidden right at the back. And it's like, this is exactly what I was looking for a long time. I know it went on sale, and sometimes like with the Coach, like there's certain like styles that once it was on sale, it's sold out and you can't see them anymore. But for some reason, I found this. It's so beautiful. So this bag is called a saddle bag. Okay, I'm gonna give you a closer look on how this beauty looks like. Wow, so this is in more of like a color block, because it has so this one is a black right here. Oh, anyways, this closure. So what really makes this one so attractive is the tab closure right here. That's the tab closure. And I was so excited to know, that all you have to do to open the bag is to slide this one up like that, all the way up, and it opens the bag itself. And it comes with this beautiful, beautiful brass hardware. Oh my gosh, I just love that hardware. Really, really, really nice. It is shiny. This wow, this one is really, really shiny. I'm surprised. Okay, so you close it and you should have to push it down to close it, just like that. Pull it up and then to open, and then push it down like this to close. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. I love it. Okay, let me just go to the details about this bag. So this is part of the 1941 collection, because when you look at this, and this is made up of a glove tan leather. The right at the front. Oh my gosh, I can't get over with the contrast between this black tab here and the white, the chalk behind it on the flap. It is so nice, the contrast between this gold hardware, the brass hardware. I always say I don't know because it is so bright. It looks like it's, yeah, it's a different kind of brass. It's more of like, it looks like sometimes like with the coach, what I've for in my purse, they're a little bit more of like a muted, like, I don't know, but this one is really, really shiny. Usually the brass is not that shiny, but this one is very, very shiny though. It looks like more of like gold in it. But regardless, yes, the contrast between these three colors in here, it looks so beautiful. So when we open the bag, oh, I just love this one. Okay, so actually, yeah, I was just like conscious if this one would fall off. It's actually, yeah, it's actually sitting there pretty well. Okay, so the inside flap has a leather lining. So mostly the 1941, it has a beautiful, beautiful leather lining in the inside. And surprisingly, the inside is made up of leather. Beautiful. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about with the 1941, the originals collection. Is like when the purse is made up of leather inside and out, that makes your money worth. It's just like, it's like, I have nothing else to say about that. I mean, knowing that I got this one in sale and pretty much like, okay, what else I could ask for? I mean, it's beautiful. It's beautiful inside and out. I mean, okay, this one has a compartment right here in front, one, and then it's a large compartment right here, and then the zip one right here at the back. Okay, so right here, it's actually a fabric lining right here at the compartment, and this one is leather, and also right here in the front. Okay, very, very nice. It's very roomy, guys, and oh, I just love the interior. Is so beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at outside. It has a slip pocket right here at the back. Very nice. This is also leather lined right here at the back, which is so nice and really soft. So this one is made up of gloved and leather as usual. Okay, let me just show it to you. Yes, this is made up of genuine gloved and leather. Very, very nice. And also, this one comes with a detachable strap right here, and the color of the strap is actually black. Okay, so this is actually adjustable and removable as well, with a beautiful brass hardware. Yeah, I was trying to compare the brass. Yeah, this one really looks different. This one is very, very shiny, and this one is really like the real brass one that I was used to see from Coach all the time. Okay, so this is strap. Let me just put this strap. Okay, let me put this strap. See, this is how, oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very, very lovely. I really love this purse because it is actually unique, guys. It is very unique. I just really love that the plain white behind, the plain white right here, and the closure here, the tab closure makes it look so unique. So beautiful. And right here on the side, as you notice, this is a more of like, what color is this? Dark brown. So hard to tell because the okay, let me just look at this receipt I have here. So this is the color block saddle bag, and this one is in color, it says here, brass chalk. So yeah, obviously the chalk is more of like white. Okay, this is just the paperwork. So it's funny because I was on my way home and I saw this one. Usually this one is from the 1941, and this one comes with the booklet that tells you like what the 1941 is, about the craftsmanship, about something about the leather, the creativity of the 1941 and stuff. And I saw this one, and I have never seen this anybody that talk about this card in here. So if you guys could see that. So the card says here, this certificate of authenticity guarantees your Coach product against any manufacturing defects. So it has a style number and a date. So I didn't even know. I got a lot of these on my purses on the 1941. I've actually never seen this one filled in, right? The style and the date. I don't know how this one works with this card for the authenticity. I'm actually really curious. I haven't really asked them about that, but I'm probably gonna ask next time what this is about, you know. So anyway, going back to the bag. So the stitching for this bag, normally for the 1941, if you guys, in my previous videos, I keep mentioning that the stitching of the, mostly for the 1941 collections, are bold, large, and most of the time it's very well done. Those large stitching right there was actually perfectly done. Right here at the back. Very, very nice. This is actually my most favorite part of the purses for the 1941 are the stitching. The stitching are beautifully done. Beautifully done. And also, yeah, the color is so beautiful. The contrast between the chalk, which is white, the contrast between the black and the brass hardware, and also the brown as well, makes this bag look so classy. It is so beautiful. Wow. I mean, it's so hard to tell that. I mean, when I saw this one just right sitting behind it, so like, hey, I've been looking for this bag for a long time. I've been stalking the website for quite a long time, and I know this has been sold out. And wow, I'm surprised they still have it. So I got this one, I think in Beverly Hills when I went there, because there's Beverly Hills and also in Santa Monica. So I went to Beverly Hills, both stores, and I found it over there. And I was so happy and I was so surprised that I got to add this one to my collection. Beautiful. Wow, very, very glad. I mean, you can actually wear this one with any of your outfit. This particular color works in any of your outfit. It's not too big, it's not too small. Let me see if my phone could fit in here. So at the back, yeah, it fits. Yeah, the good thing about this Coach gloved and leather is very, very soft and very flexible. Once again, of you guys considering getting a Coach that is made up of gloved and leather, this is prone for scratching. So when I found this one, I'm not expecting it to be perfect, but looking at it, I didn't see any marks or any like scratches. That was really surprised. I'm really surprised. And also at the store, they checked their inventory and then they said that there's actually two at the store and they couldn't find it. And I was thinking that, you know, well, I mean, I must have admit that when I saw this one at the store, this is actually a floor model. It was all dusty. It was all like, it was all dusty. It's not like, well, it's probably been sitting there for quite some time, and it's really, it's white. And when I saw, it's like, oh, do you have anything else, something? So when the lady started cleaning it up and something, and so wow, it actually looks beautiful. So I don't have any problems with it. So this one, I got this one. So this is original $395 and I got it for $197.50. So plus tax. So the tax over there is 10.25. So I pretty much paid $217 for this one, which is pretty good deal, knowing that this one is made up of leather inside and out, and it's so beautiful. I mean, you could just oh my gosh, what I mean, with this particular bag, I'm not worried about what to wear with this to pair. It's because you could just wear anything and this would works perfectly. Very classy, very nice. I love it. You could wear this one as a clutch, I think so. I mean, this would work as a clutch as well, I guess. Yeah, I think so. It might be too big as a clutch, but I think it would. I kind of like it. Yeah. Oh, the tag, I forgot. Yes, this is the 1941 tag. So this particular tag is, yeah, this is really heavy, guys. This is heavy. It is cute. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. This is my second unboxing for Coach, and I am so happy that I was able to find this Coach saddlebag. It is so beautiful. It is classy. I love the combination between these different colors in here. It looks so classy, and I got such a great deal on this particular bag. And if you want to ask me what I might think about this bag right away, I would say I'm not gonna think twice to recommend this beautiful saddlebag for Coach. It's made up of leather inside and out, and definitely worth it. If you're paying regular price for this, if you got it in sale, which is even better, definitely worth your money, guys. Definitely. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.